In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Obsidian interface. We'll walk through choosing and applying a theme so your workspace looks and feels just right without changing any of your notes. Start by opening Obsidian. Once you're in your vault, look to the bottom left corner of the app window and open Settings using the gear icon. This is where all visual and behavior options live, and it's the safest place to make changes because everything can be reverted. Inside Settings, go to the Appearance section. This panel controls how Obsidian looks, from fonts and spacing to full themes. We'll focus on themes since they change the overall color scheme, contrast, and styling across the app. In Appearance, locate the Themes area. This is your hub for switching what the app looks like. You'll see options related to what's currently active and how to browse others. It's helpful to pause here and note your current theme so you can switch back later if you want. You can also check your theme folder from this area. That folder is where Obsidian stores downloaded themes. If you already have themes installed, they'll appear there, which makes it easy to confirm what's available locally and keep things tidy. Next, click Manage. This opens the theme browser where you can explore community-created designs. Everything here is packaged to work with Obsidian, so installation is straightforward and safe to try. Use the search bar if you have a specific style in mind. Searching by keywords like minimal, high contrast, or serif can narrow options quickly. This is especially useful if you're tailoring for readability, dark environments, or presentation. Or simply browse the list to discover new looks. Preview cards help you get a feel for each theme's vibe. Take your time scrolling. Small differences in spacing and contrast can make a big difference during long writing sessions. When you find a theme you like, select it, then click Install and Use. Obsidian will download the theme and apply it immediately so you can see the results right away. If it's not quite right, just return to Manage and try another, or switch back to your previous theme from the Themes area. Nothing you change here affects your files, you're only adjusting the interface. That's it. Open Obsidian, head to Settings, go to Appearance, explore themes, check your folder if needed, then use Manage to search or browse, and finally click Install and use on the theme you want. Customize until the interface supports your workflow, and enjoy a workspace that feels like it was made for you.